G'day Jodie.
Hi Matt.
Wow. Tell me about this. What's going on here?
Okay, so this was stacking sliders. It was really important to us, I guess, to have that relationship with the swimming pool. In the old house, the kitchen and living spaces were at the front of the house. So we really wanted to get this right and to make sure that we could open this space up and have that real indoor-outdoor feeling.
Okay, so an opening this side, but also this side, so you've got two.
Yes, I couldn't decide which way we wanted to open these panels, so we decided to open it both ways. We've got a swimming pool fence here, a gate here and a swimming pool gate here. So just depending on how we're using the backyard, I wanted to be able to do both ways.
A bit of weight there, so double glazing?
It is double glazed,
wow.
Yes.
Wow. My God, why wouldn't you, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty spectacular. The block orientates north from this section, so I really wanted to get as much light in as possible, and that's why we've gone so high. You know, so there is a bit of weight, but it's 3 metre high windows with double glazing, so it was far more important to be able to open the space up than to.
All very gorgeous, right? But what about insects?
Insects. So if we want to stop insects, we put in a centaur screen.
Centaurs, hang on. That there is recessed into the wall here.
It is. So it's been built into the brickwork. So
Glasgow Metro, they give you all that sort of advice, to just
Absolutely.
options to do stuff like that?
Yes, they did.
So that's pretty cool. Okay, so another one at that end.
Another one at this end. And they meet in the middle like that.
So what's that there? That's a magnet?
That's a magnet.
Wow.
Yes.
Very seamless.
Yeah, so in summer we can get the full breeze coming through. I can have this opened up and we don't have flies or mosquitoes coming inside. So. And
that flywire just reduces that bit of that glare as well.
It does help with the glare, yes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And what a landscape that is, coming back here looking at that.
That's
lovely.
Sensational. We have a lot of trees, which is really nice. So.
That's just beautiful. So really, does it meet the designer's eye?
It does. I'm very happy with this detail.
Wow.
So,
very impressive. Thanks, Jo.
Thank you.